and being able to draw different kids, as individuals in a scene together.
It's all part of
Yeah.
one scene.
Yeah.
Well, you do that so well. Do you mind if it's just a quick sketch or more finished sketch, or
Either is fine. Any is fine.
Final art?
Yeah. And also, what's also useful for that too, that kind of mindset too, to kind of put lots of kids in your portfolio together too, is it's not just for publishing. It's a huge part of my clients is the education market, and that's a good advantage to have as an illustrator. Not only think about trade publishing, but education is a huge market also, that it would be a shame if you kind of cut yourself off of that. It's usually elementary school. It runs the gamut from like early, just like super early kids just learning, sight words and stuff, all the way to a little bit higher, where they're trying to absorb content analysis more too, like a little science workbook kind of thing. It ranges, but all of them have in common is they hire me a lot because I can draw lots of kids, and I can draw kids with multiple, all sorts of different ethnicities. That's huge too.
You must be working all the time. How do you give yourself a break from work, exercise routine?
I have a hard time saying no. That's my resolution for this year too. I need to learn how to say no better.